Rita. Woman nigga. Rita. Pastor, please come and pray for my brother. He has been mad for the good 5 years now. Pastor, please now.
5 waiting.
5 good years.
Yeah, that means the brother madness go strong well.
I'm just confused as in.
Wetin go happen be say by don't worry, you need be person wey mad from childbirth and dey heal am.
Seriously?
Person wey don dey mad for 350 years and dey heal am. That one na small thing. Your brother madness, he dey learn work. Shey you no know? No know me.
I know you now.
No know the pastor.
I know you.
Pastor Tapia.
Pastor, let's be going.
Pastor Gidigbon.
Pastor, let's be going. No time.
No time, ba.
Nothing. There is God, oh. There is God, oh.
Dorí kodò kò yé ni mọ́.
Isaki!
Mommy.
What? Why are you running?
Continue.
Why are you running? Earlier we realized this. The earlier every one of you realize it, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is our mono too much. Our mono too much.
Now,
I said, my money.
how come madman you be sef?
My money.
Just because of 1,000 naira.
My money.
Guy, calm down first.
My money.
Your blood dey hot.
My money.
Wait, now make I give you your money now. Get your money.
Jesus.
Now, prove that before you say.